seated until the seatbelt sign is turned off. You might continue to use and charge your phones and tablets. If you're sitting in an exit row, please do not plug your devices into the outlets. Don't forget to check your seat back pocket and area around your seat to make sure you have all of your belongings, and be careful when opening overhead bins. To help keep the aircraft comfortable for our next customers, please open your overhead air vent. And if you're sitting next to a window, please close the window shade. Once we arrive at the gate, our airport team will be more than happy to answer any questions you might have regarding check baggage, ground transportation, or connecting flights. Any checked luggage might be retrieved from baggage claim carousel 1. Your feedback is really important to us, so some of you will receive a survey asking you about your experience via email or in the United app. We'd love to know how you enjoy your flight with us today.